Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan, your English teacher, and this time I have taken the chapter 9 from the book First Flight, and the name of the chapter is Madam Rides the Bus. And this chapter was written by Vallika Nan. So here, this story. This story is of an 8-year-old girl. It describes her first bus journey into the world outside her village. So the outside world is fascinating, and the bus ride a mysterious journey. So she wants to riding bus is a mysterious journey for her. So she wants to experience this mysterious journey alone. She finds each minute information provided by her neighbors regarding the bus journey. Means she collected information to take bus ride from where she could take, and also she had managed money to collect the ticket. And one day she goes on the bus ride alone and comes back with new experience. So here about the character. So here Vallia Mai, you can say Valli, is an 8-year-old girl. She wished to travel in the bus and she did it. So let's read. First part. There was a girl named Vallia Mai, who was called Valli for short, and she was 8 years old. This name is so long because it is related with the South India, this story. So it is here, and we will read Valli. So she was 8 years old girl and was very curious about the things happening, and her favorite pastime was standing in front of doorway of her house and watching what was happening in the street outside. So here you can see she is standing here and she is looking at the bus. It is her home and she is watching the bus. So here she was doing all day that. So and this was about all she had to do. So but for Valli, standing at the front door was very bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. Means it was for her just like a game. She would enjoy it. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. Here the most fascinating thing was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. You can see here, she is looking at the bus. See here, bus is here and passengers are there inside the bus. So she is observing, she is watching. Now, so it passed through her street each hour. Means each hour the bus would pass from there, and once going to the town and once coming back. So the sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers was a source of unending joy for Valli. Valli was watching that, and Valli was thinking about that bus. So day after day she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head that she also wanted to have a ride on that bus. So she wanted to ride on the bus even if just once. If it could be just once, so she wanted that. This wish become stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Then Valli would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus. She would observe everything. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dream and hopes. So if one of her friends happened to ride in the bus, she would listen to that. She would ask to her friend. She would collect information about the bus riding. Valli would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, "Proud, proud." And neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression. Means they would use proud, even they didn't know the meaning, but they would use it. Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully to conversations between the neighbor means she was collecting information about the bus, and then town was 6 miles from her village. The fare was 30 paise. She had collected information which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well dressed man say, but to Valli, who scarcely saw that much money from 1 month to the next. So it seemed a fortune. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same. So she thought into her mind that once she would go, again she would pay 30 paise for returning back. So this meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. So on and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. And in this way, she collected money and she decided that she will take a bus ride. So students, this was the first part, and I will start next part in my next video. Okay, Jai Hind students.